and welcome to my empty house tour. Is going to be the dining room. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house because of the light fixture. It was just so pretty. The ceiling is beautiful. I love the color of the room. I really don't plan to change the colors in here. It has this beautiful arch in the ceiling. Of course, I'm going to give you all an overview in the ceiling. I just love it. This area is kind of like the entrance foyer. Yeah. I don't know what else to call it. So this area is probably where I'm going to put a table right here and give it like a entryway situation going on. All right, so this is the kitchen area. It's absolutely gorgeous. The colors of this house is one of the reasons it just drew me in, because I am going for a more edgy, warm, cozy house. So it was perfect. Like the flooring, tile, island, the counter, the cabinet color, like, gorgeous. But this island is one of my favorites, and I still don't know what bar stools I want to go with, but I absolutely love this island. I do plan to change these light fixtures one day. I'm going to get a new refrigerator one day. They actually left this refrigerator. The pantry is a decent size. I do plan to change some things in there as well. Right, so this is actually the pantry, and it has like the wire racks in here. Like I said, I am going to change all of this out eventually. It's not something that I'm just rushing to do right away, but I do plan to change the wire racks in the future. Off of the kitchen, we also have the butler's pantry, and I am going to change all of this too, and I'm excited. So excited. All right, so moving on to the living area. I love this. This right here is absolutely beautiful. Geek Squad just mounted this probably about 2 hours ago, if that, and they were supposed to give me my washer and dryer too, but it's on back order, so it'll be here sometime next week. But I do plan to put a nice console down here at the bottom, media console. Of course, my coffee table, and I got a new couch as well. So be on the lookout for that video. On this side, they did have their TV mounted over here. I did not want that look. I do plan to change all of this one day and make it more modern. It looks nice like this, but I just want to change a few things over here. So all of this stuff will be getting patched up soon, and then we have to remove this. And yeah, that's what's going on over here. But I did not want the couch to be facing this way. You never know, we may as well just close off the entire fireplace. Just don't know. All right, so as you come this way, we have a closet. They actually use this closet for like a cat closet or something. I'm not a fan of cats, so we will not be using that. We'll actually have to probably replace the entire door. And then this is just a closet in here. It's really not even like a big space. I'll probably end up using this as my home decor closet, add some shelves, and go from there. All right, so moving right along. I'm trying to get a decent angle, but I can't seem to get all of it in the camera. But this is like a little cubby situation going on here. Perfect. I have 3 kids, I have 3 cubbies. Perfect. I already know in Germany I tried to create something similar to this. All right, and then of course we got a garage. It is a hot mess out there, but that's the garage. Y'all, we got a lot to clean. And my next video will be a move-in clean, because we'll talk about it on that video. So this is actually like the half bathroom back here. And then the laundry room. And the laundry room, it's it isn't set up yet or anything, so it's really like not much to see. We're gonna have a laundry room makeover, of course, because yeah, I'll probably show you guys more of the laundry room once my washer and dryer comes, but that's the laundry room, the half bath. Now we're upstairs. This side is going to be Lauren and Landon's side. This right here is the bathroom. It's really not much to see, y'all, in the bathroom. Y'all know what a bathroom looks like. They actually left a lot of stuff in here, and I need to get in here and remove all of that stuff, clean it, deep clean it and all of that. This is a nice size closet right here. And then this pink room was originally going to be Lauren's room, but it's not. This room is actually going to be Landon's room. We are going to paint next week. We're probably gonna go with green, which is his favorite color. And looks like a curtain rod or something, so we have to remove all of that. There's some holes and stuff in the wall. We gotta patch all of this stuff up. So also for this closet, it's very tight in here. So what we do plan to do, I saw a video on somewhere. We're gonna take this side out and open up the closet a little bit more for Landon. All right, so moving along, this was supposed to be Travis Jr.'s room, but this is actually going to be Lauren's room because it's spacious in here. She is getting like the second biggest bedroom because she is a girl, I'm sorry. My sister made us suggest, she was like, you should probably let Lauren get the biggest room because she's a girl. You know, boys don't really need much or whatever. So, and Lauren, she does have a new bed. So yeah, well actually it's very like dark in here, kind of boyish. So we're gonna brighten up the walls, brighten up the space. These shelves, some shelves right there too. These shelves, this shelf is coming down. Those are coming down as well. And yeah, Lauren also has a pretty decent closet size. The shelves in here, they'll probably stay for right now, but I do plan to use this as her closet and a playroom as well to give her a little bit more space. All right, so this room, this is a pretty spacious room as well. I think all the rooms are a pretty nice size, decent size. So this one is going to be Travis Jr.'s room. The color in here will probably stay like an accent wall. Not sure where we will put his bed. He is getting a queen size bed, so maybe his bed will go flow this way. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't thought that far ahead. All right, y'all. So moving on into the primary bedroom. The color is very dark in here. I still want to keep it kind of moody, edgy in here. So we'll probably end up paying, again, I'm not really sure because I don't even have a bed yet. As far as this side, hope I don't lose focus. But as far as this side, of course, we're gonna mount a TV right here. And yeah, that's all I can think of right there right now. All right, now this is the primary bathroom. As you can see, it's so spacious. The space. This is another reason why I chose this house, because I love this bathroom. The bathroom is beautiful. The shower is beautiful. The tub, the vanity, a double vanity. It's beautiful, y'all. I love this bathroom, and I cannot wait to decorate this bathroom. I've already had to take a shower in here last night, so I've already put out my bath mat. So as you can see, there's a little pop of color, which is black. And yeah, so hopefully we'll be doing some decorating soon with what I already have. And then in here is the master closet. I know I'm really not going like into like full deep overview of everything. It's because I do have stuff that I have in here, like it's stuff everywhere in this closet, honestly. And also, I'll be doing, y'all, this is a home channel, so I'll be in and out of these spaces. I'll be in and out of these spaces all the time, so you're going to get to see them. So subscribe if you're new. Okay, subscribe. And then this is the toilet closet. And yeah, it's just the toilet, y'all. All Alright y'all, so that's it for today's empty house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which room is your favorite. We got all kinds of new furniture coming, so I'm actually having a bunch of those pieces that I bought on my last vlog delivered today. Be on the lookout for those videos, those home updates. We are about to turn this house into a home. I'm so excited to have you all here with me. If you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like the video, leave me a comment down below, and I will see y'all back on the next video because we got so much to do and you will be moving on in with me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.